Hi everyone. So in our last class we have added filters and columns, everything. But we are so list report we are done. And when we are trying to click on the object page, we are not getting anything, right? It is a blank page. So in this video, we will be adding fields in the object page to display the details of the project. So for that, we'll move with the same open guided development, which will be easier for you. Okay, we'll just refresh the open guided development so that it will be helpful for you. Okay, now we'll scroll down. We'll exit this. We'll just exit this. And so this is the list report page, right? We are going to get down to the object page. And in the object page, you could see some, oh, oops, it is in the filter. Just, okay, I'm, let us fix it. It's just on. Okay. Okay, there you go. So there you have an object page, and here you're going to first start with add a header message to the object, okay, using data points. Okay, so this is what you're first going to add. So first you're going to, you can also see the preview. Okay, this is what you're going to add. Okay, and we are going to go with configure. And first you're going to select the entity type. First, yeah, entity type you're going to select, and first you're going to select the product. Okay, so data point value for you. Let's see. Okay, the property you're going to use is now the product name. Okay, you're going to use is the product name, and the data point is that the product name. What else you may give, you can give here. Okay, for your reference. So product name. Okay, and here also you can just give that product. Okay. So yeah, and then we want to we can also mention okay, we'll just give header so that you can it will show you the difference, right? So product name, and now we can click on insert snippet, and let's see what is happening over here. Yeah, there you go. We have created some sort of what to say, there's some sort of things to define the data point or the data what you want to display in the header facet is being inserted. And you may also see you may also see in your application what else it is added. And also like you need to also include the data point, right? So in the next step we have to define, okay, what data point is going to add a data point reference how we added in the previous step. So here the same you have to give exact data point what you need to give. We need to select the entity tab, this product, and the data point reference will also be header. Okay. So, yep, and we have also seen what is going to be added over here, and we're going to give just insert snippet. Okay. So you could see on the screen, we have defined the header visit and the target property and what it is going to refer. You could see what is added over here. Also, we got a message. You could see a reference facet is added and everything is added. We'll go to our application and we will see. Yeah, you could see it is fetching out the header alone, right, of the product name, right? So it is showing we are now able to display the product. Let's say we also wanted to add a section and we want to add a facet and display a group of fields in the output. Okay, so we are going to do that. Okay, to do that we just close up this, and we'll just try to exit back or exit time. We'll go back, we'll go back, we'll go back. Yes, we'll exit this guide. And we are going to get into the object page and we are going to add a field group. Okay, we're into field group section to an object on the page. Okay, we're going to add that just to do that RF input, just you can come here and yeah. So first we'll start with this is what we are going to add. You may see the difference over here. And first we are going to start with the entity type, which is nothing but product, and come to the qualifier, and you're going to give the qualifier name as details of the object page, details. So, and coming to new data field parameters, you're going to add over here. Here in property, you're going to add the product ID. Okay. And you're going to add some more data fields. And you're going to add here is your supplier ID. Okay. So, we'll add some more fields. Okay. To display our data, you're going to add here is we'll add a unit price. You can add anything and some more data field we'll add over here. Something anytime stuff. Okay. So, but for okay, and we are done with this, and we'll just add insert snippet, and there you go. You could see what else are added. And in the second step, okay. So as of now, it's done. We will also add a second step. Your entity type is product is added, and in the label, you're going to show product details. Okay, and in the section, you're going to give something what you're going a name which you can keep of your one, and you could see it's been added, and you're going to just give insert snippet. Okay, there you go. It is being loaded over here, and we'll just close our XML file which is loaded, and we'll just check in the output of the page what is loaded and how it is going to view. Just we'll wait for a minute. Yeah. So there you go. You have something for product details, and within that, we are now able to display everything, attributes, and what is the exact value of the product name and the product details. Okay, but we have only we couldn't label that, right? Okay, now we'll add labels to the field. Okay, so what else I will just add this time in the annotation.xml file. Okay, so here is a data field and how product, just you can see how the product details is added, right? Product name, product ID is added, and the supplier ID is also added. You can come down and you could see the property value, like a product details that you are going to add in every kind of like within the data field you're going to add also in the unit price, also in the unit in stock. Okay, and we'll change the product details to whatever label you need to give, you can change over here. Okay, so we are going to change supplier ID and here unit price and here returns. Okay, units in stock. So now we can just check the output of our application. So it will refresh. Let us wait for a minute. It will fetch the details what we have given, right? Yeah. So there you go, you got the product details, supplier ID, unit price, unit in stock. And this is how we will be doing like adding section to the object page. So this is how you can add anything to your page and you can show that in the out. I think you are okay with this Fiori element app creation. We'll also see some more depth into this in the upcoming classes. Thank you. Good day. Bye.